Everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller not charging while in rest mode. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. Now, there's a couple things you want to go ahead and try right away. And I suggest resetting your PlayStation controller. So on the back, there is a small pinhole right here. Go ahead and just stick like a small needle in there and just hold it down for like 3 or 4 seconds and your controller will reset. Then try using a different USB cable and try using a different USB port on the front of your PlayStation. Now if you're using like a USB hub, this may be the reason you're not drawing enough power to your controller and it's not charging. So plug in the USB cable just like this into your PlayStation 4 controller now. Now, there may be a reason it's not charging in the PlayStation settings. So if we go to the home screen and then go up to the top right to settings and select this and then go down to the power saving mode over here. So power saving settings, select that and then go to set features available in rest mode and make sure this is turned on. Supply power to USB ports. I currently have this turned off, but controllers can charge while in rest mode. If you select 3 hours, power will be supplied to USB ports for only 3 hours after entering rest mode. So if I select this, there's always, which your controller can always charge from your PlayStation 4 while it's in rest mode. Then 3 hours, it will only charge for 3 hours and then turn off. Now I currently have mine set to the off position because the PlayStation 4 while in rest mode can be quite loud. And when you have the front USB ports supplying power, well, it's going to kick on the fans to cool down the PlayStation, and that's why it's kind of loud while it's in rest mode. But for me, I usually don't ever charge from the front of the console. What I do is I use just a external charger just like this for my phone, and then I just plug it into the wall outlet, and I just have this plugged in under my desk, and I just charge it when I need it. So I don't even have to have my PlayStation 4 on at all. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.